YouTubers, and welcome to Thursday. What a beautiful day again. I'm going to show you, look at that. That's my garden, absolutely full of plants and everything. And there's the sky, and there's Annie. Good girl. Okay, right, first of all I'm going to repeat the survey question from Wednesday. In a recent survey, which food do people love to hate even though they have not tried it? And the answer was a haggis. Wasn't it, Annie? A haggis. And now I've got a new survey question for you today, Thursday. Let's see if you can work this one out. Every one of these in the world is either red, green, blue or black. Every one of these in the world is either red, green, blue or black. That's your survey question for today, Thursday. Now I'm going to go with your comments from Wednesday's survey question. First of all, we're going to go with Sharon Carlisle, our Sharon, and she said black pudding and caviar. Leah X, she said black pudding, but then she got the correct answer and she said a haggis. Well done to Leah X. Wilma Nagarato, now she come across with something that's in Thailand, Malaysia, and they call it a durian, D-U-R-I-A-N, durian. And she also mentioned cheese, that she looked on the internet and she reckons that we people in England do not like cheese. Anyway, well done to Wilma Nagasato for that. I've got Anita 1111, and she went with anchovies. Robin Gavin Mack, he had a couple of guesses. He went with snails or escargot, frog legs and black pudding. Now Top Dog X, she went with marmite. So I mean, really, marmite, you either love it or you hate it, and I love it basically. Last but not least, I've got Kyle P19, and he went liver, and he reckons that he hates the sound of it, never mind the taste of it. So that was your comments from Wednesday's survey question. Now the video I've just put on is the second video of Stanwick Lakes, which is in Northamptonshire, and I've entitled it Stanwick Lakes and the Birds. Okay, this is part 2, and I hope you enjoy it. And tomorrow, Friday, I've got another one for you, and it's to do with another place that I went to. And this is called Harold Park. So I hope you look forward to that one. All that remains for me to say with Annie is, we're going to say, Annie, goodbye, bye bye, bye bye. Good girl. Okay, all the very best. Well done, Annie. We're at the top of the garden at the moment. It's quite cool because the temperature today is just over 30 degrees. So we're sitting at the top of the garden in the shade and enjoying life. Okay, well that's it for now. Please do subscribe, comment, like, hit that bell, and I'll have another survey question for you on Friday. All the very best, and bye bye for now. Say goodbye, Annie, again. Say goodbye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Good girl. Well done, Annie. Well done.